In today's Making the Photo, we're out in the field for some real-life action. I'm out in the field taking some photos, and then we'll head back to the studio and let AI work their magic on them. While I'm out here, I'm testing a new mic, the Saramonic BlinkMe. It's an ultra-cool wireless microphone with a touch screen that's super easy to use. It features onboard recording, one-touch noise reduction, and it's magnetic. Best of all, it fits right into your pocket, and there's an app to manage everything. If you're a podcaster, musician, teacher, or someone who just loves to record memories, you've got to check this mic out. It's a total game changer. Don't forget to find the link in the description below. Photographers often ask me if AI can edit photos. Well, not in the way you might think. But if you're using post-processing software like Photoshop or Topaz, you're already leveraging AI to enhance your images. Sky replacement and content-aware fill tools, that's AI at work. Let's dive into how you can combine real-world images with generative AI like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion. Generative AI will always change your image. That's what generative means, but you can use images as part of your prompt. Photography is rooted in the real world, but with AI, your photos can transform into anything you can imagine. Use your pictures as inspiration for creating something extraordinary. It's not only about what you see, but what it could become. Love graffiti? It's an art form all of its own, and it can inspire even grander ideas. See an amazing piece at an art gallery? Snap a pic and let your imagination soar. It could be the spark for your next big creation. Look beyond the everyday objects. It's not just about what is, but the thrilling possibilities of what could be. If you come across a texture or a shape that you like, take a photo. The AI will often detect colors, textures, and forms in your image. The influence of the image can be quite strong, so tone it down with image weights. In Midjourney version 5, type --IW 0.5. In Stable Diffusion, there's usually an image weight slider. Or create a base image without the image prompt and add it during a remix. Call attention to the key features of the image in your prompt. Start with a photo that has interesting features, then alter the mood. Facing lighting issues? AI can help. Transform plain flowers into sunlit wonders. Make the scene magical, or change the season. Yes, the image details change too. AI is all about creating rather than just copying, but the essence of the image, the water droplets on the flower, and the shape of the bridge remain intact. And your photos don't have to stay photographic. Change the medium and change the style. Use your photos as the basis for generating abstract art that retains the essence of the original image. Or infuse a cityscape with impressionism. AI allows you to explore different perspectives and styles. Consider merging 2 or more of your photos to create something entirely new. Invent a brand new plant species or an entirely new world. AI is your trusty partner, ready to help you mix and match elements from your photos to breathe life into your wildest ideas. The sky's the limit when it comes to crafting unique and imaginative visuals. Can you prompt into some of these images without image prompts? Sure, but why not take advantage of AI's capabilities? Just input an image and guide the AI in the right direction. Show the AI what you're looking for. And if you're happy with the photo as it is and don't want to change it, use AI to write the alternative description for social media. Try Midjourney's Describe tool. And of course, you can also run the prompts and see what you get. You might be pleasantly surprised. Remember, it's not just about the final piece, it's about the excitement of artistic exploration. Let AI be your creative ally, and together you'll push the boundaries of what's possible in your captivating visuals. The photo is just the beginning. Let us know how you use your everyday photos in your AI prompts in the comments below. If this video was helpful, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. This is Jen at Making the Photo. Let's make something amazing together.